Viewers, assalamu alaikum. So how are you all of? Inshallah, Allah keep us well. So here you can see two students living in Bashoso. So actually, Muhammad Riaz is going to ask some questions from Muhammad Rafiq with not because and but because. So Muhammad Rafiq will translate from English to our Rohingya language. So viewers, I hope you will see from first to last in this video. So okay, let's see now.
I study education not because I went to earn money, but because how can I develop our Rohingya generation? She apologized not because she was wrong, but because she valued their friendship. He studies hard not because he fears failure, but because he loves learning. They moved to another city not because they wanted to live, but because they found better job opportunities. I help others not because I expect something in return, but because it makes me happy.
Okay.
অনরার যদি আর ভিডিও আর যদি ভালো লাগে তাহলে শেয়ার করো আর অনরার মধ্যে আর ভালো ভিডিও করে হাজির হইব আশা করি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।